Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about some pretty cool, pretty exciting extensions for web developers. So if you're a web developer or want to become one, please watch this video until the end as this video has a lot to offer to you. This video will make you better as a developer, I guarantee, and also it will make your task a lot easier. So please watch till the end. Okay, so the first Chrome extension that I'm going to tell you about is the Fonts Ninja extension. I'll not tell you anything. Let's see the magic first. So now I have clicked on the Fonts Ninja extension, and now whenever I hover any piece of text, it shows me what font it uses. And if I click on the font, then I can type anything and it will use the above mentioned font which was used in this text. Isn't that amazing? We can also bookmark this font, we can install this font, we can also have the info of this font. So if you're a web developer, this makes your task a lot easier of, if you like a font, if you're searching a website and you see some eye-catching font and want to use it, and you don't need to do all the hassle of going through the long process. Now you can just click on this extension and see it, and you can also install it at the very same moment. So it's very exciting and it's very helpful for a web developer. The next we have is the dimensions extension. This is also very exciting, folks. Let's see how it works. If you click on dimensions here, yeah, so as you can see clearly now that whenever I hover an element in this website, it shows me the dimensions of that particular section, right? So this, if I hover on this profile, it shows me the dimensions of this particular circle. If I go over to the navigation bar, it shows me the dimensions of that particular bar, of this search bar, of this search icon, of this mic icon. So it's very exciting, it's very helpful for a developer if you want to develop websites, if you want to make clones, or not clones for that matter, if you want to make your own websites from scratch. Then also this can be a very good starting point. If you know what dimensions are generally used, it can help you a lot and make your website look much professional. Yeah, folks, the next extension that is very helpful is the corporate ipsum extension. It's really very helpful for freelancers, especially because if you're a freelancer, what you have to do is you have to show your product to your client, right? And in that product you have to include some text as well. For that text, what generally you folks do is you include roll 50, right? What that does is that generates some random words, random 50 words. That's total gibberish. What better way you can do is you can use this extension and click on it and see. You can literally set the amount of words that you want, and then you have some meaningful words. It's not gibberish that you get by lorem 50. This is actual meaningful paragraphs, meaningful sentences. You can have up to 500 words on this extension. This is really helpful if you are a web developing freelancer. Why? Because you have to showcase your product to your clients and it seems really professional if you use some real content rather than just lorem 50, the 50 random words that appear. So that this is also very helpful if you are a freelancer. Next that we have is the last one for today is the web developer extension. If you just open this extension and you click on CSS and you do disable all styles, boom, everything is gone. Everything about YouTube we know is gone. It's some ugly looking website. So this is a really helpful extension because if you're a newbie and you don't know what CSS is, you come to CSS, you disable all styles, you immediately get to know that what is the power of CSS, and then you enable it, you get this back, a soothing looking website. This is really helpful if you want to know what aspect of the website is coming from what tech stack, right? Also, if you go to images, if you disable the images, right? Let's see what it does. Boom, the banner image is gone, right? Now let's bring it back to normal. You can literally disable anything here. You can disable JavaScript, you can disable notifications, you can disable plugins, pop-ups, you can manage cookies also. This is really good if you are a web developer and starting your journey. This one is really good. Okay folks, tell me honestly, if you are a developer, wasn't this video exciting for you? You're not a developer if you think that this video was not informative and not exciting, folks. Okay folks, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and comment on the video to express your views. Also folks, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you want to get more notifications and updates about my videos. That's it for this video. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep supporting. Bye bye, take care.